In this lesson, we are going to implement remove item from the cart. In previous lesson, we implemented add item to the cart. And here we are going to implement the minus button here. When I click on it, I'm going to decrease number of this product in the cart. To do that, we need to add a new function to the use cart service hook. Go to use cart service hook, scroll down to find the end of increase function right here and define decrease. Like increase, it accepts item as parameter. In the body of this function, find the item based on the slug and put it in exist constant. If it doesn't exist, return. It means there is no need to change the state. Otherwise, calculate update cart items based on the exist item. If the quantity of exist item is 1, we need to remove that item from the cart. Otherwise, we decrease the quantity of this item in the cart. The rest is very similar to increase. Here I just call calc price to calculate the updated prices. And at the end, update the state based on the new values. Next step is in add to cart.txs and get decrease function from the use cart service hook. Use it in the minus button for on-click handler like this. Save the code. Let's check the result. Add to cart, increase and decrease. If we check the header, it gets updated based on the change here. When I decrease, when the quantity is 1, the item will be removed from the cart and I have add to cart button. Awesome. We implemented decrease item from the shopping cart. And in the next lesson, we go for designing the cart page.